Here is a pair of Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to your Apple TV 4K. The first thing we want to do is go to the settings on your Apple TV. So you can click on the apps or tile button here and just make sure this here pops up like this. And then you just want to look, let me go back here. And then we just want to go to settings, okay? So look for settings, mine is right there. Click on OK on the remotes. And then once you're here, you want to go down to remotes and devices, right there. Click on OK. And from here, we're going to go down to Bluetooth, right there. Click on OK. Now it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode. So we got to put these in pairing mode now, okay? So let's open these up. Let's put it in pairing mode, okay? Make sure it's in pairing mode. You know it's in pairing mode when it's blinking blue and red, okay? Mine's solid red here. It's probably connected, or solid blue now. It's connected to a different device. Let me put it in pairing mode. I'm just going to hold the sensors here for a few seconds until it starts turning red and blue. There's blue and red. There it is right there. Oh, something just popped up on the TV there. And you can see the Momentum 3, TW3 down there. So I'm going to slide down, click on OK right there. And it's still blinking here. Now you can see a solid blue light right there. And you can see the Momentum 3 right there. It is connected. So there you go. Now you can go ahead and watch YouTube or Netflix or whatnot with the audio coming out of your earbuds, all right? Oh, also, if you guys had issues where you could not put it in pairing mode, or you couldn't connect, or maybe you couldn't get the lights to blink blue and red, you can always factory reset these as well. The link is below how to factory reset these, all right? Good luck.